I don't even think you need to sew this. You can just cut this too.
7 layers.
7.
Yeah, 7 layers. Cut 7 layers. You okay?
So this is, yeah, this is the slip.
Yeah, this one. The same, this one.
Yeah, you can just cut that.
You want the same, this one?
Yes.
Okay.
Same with that. You can cut, but no, don't need to sew it.
Yeah, this one. The same here. Yeah, the front side. And
There's that.
the same.
Same.
Touch to the brown. You want touch to the brown? Yeah. Yeah.
And then the last two. Yeah.
Yeah. You see, you come, you see the front side. You see the front side?
Mm-hmm.
You okay?
Yeah, I think it's good.
Yeah, you want the sock on the back side?
So do people bustle the tool like to here?
Yeah. The front side, I pin for you the front side, okay?
I think the front side's...
You see the front side? You okay the front side?
I think so. Maybe a little longer.
A little bit long?
It looks like it's lifting, but I don't know if that's because of the material.
Yeah.
Because I wanted...
Back side, which one you want? You want to cut a little bit or keep original?
So much. I think we should get rid of it.
Huh?
I think it should all be the same length.
Yeah.
Can we just cut it to match the front?
To match the front about 3 inches.
We have to add 3 more inches on the back?
Yeah, the front side 3 inches. You
Okay.
want to cut the back side 3 inches. Huh?
Oh, I think we should have it, I think we need to cut a lot.
How long?
Off the back. I don't want any of this on the back.
Yeah. How long you want to cut? I show you the... Yeah. You want the same the inside?
Yes.
The inside here.
Ah.
Too soft, huh? Too soft? This one.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, let's cut to there.
Or cut this one?
Yeah, we'll cut to there.
Yeah, the same inside. Yeah, I turn the inside.
That's easy.
Yeah, this one.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. You okay?
Yeah, that's much better.
Now the back side.
Yeah.
And the side little bit the same.
Yeah, just make it match to
Yeah,
go
the
around.
match around. Yeah. Around the front side and the back side.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want the buckle?
I think so.
How many? One, two, three.
I think all the
Yeah, if you want the
yeah.
you want the buckle, I pin. Yeah, I pin to keep this one.
Okay.
Yeah, if you want the buckle here. Two knots inside. Too much.
It's too much.
Yeah. One, two,
Oh
three.
my goodness.
Yeah. You okay? No buckle here.
Let's take more off then.
Yeah. No.
Yeah,
no
let's take
buckle.
more off.
Yeah. You okay? No buckle. You muscle the back side. Don't need the
Yeah.
buckle. Yeah.
What about dancing? I want to dance.
Oh, you want the dance, huh?
Yeah.
Is too much?
It's too much.
Yeah.
Is there
I
any,
show you the buckle. Yeah.
any other way?
If
If we take more off the back, could we bustle?
yeah, this one.
We would have to go in like this.
Yeah.
Make-
When you
I see.
dancing.
With two bustle? 1, 2?
Three.
Or 3?
Three. If you want, I pin it for you.
Could I see it pinned?
Yeah.
Do you mind?
This one, the
Okay.
back side. Yeah.
Thank you.
More the inside.
It's a lot of material.
Yeah, that's I check the middle. The middle here. The middle here. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, you turn the back side. Okay.
Can we bustle to here or no?
No, the pin. On the pin.
It goes straight
One,
to here.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
The pin. 1, 2, 3. You turn around. Can you turn around?
Sure.
You okay? Can you turn around?
Mhm.
How do you feel?
It's a lot of material.
Yeah, lots of 7 layer.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Yeah.
Should I?
I think when you dancing, yeah, you dancing, you lead the yeah. No,
So when I
sometimes
get married, it will come down,
yeah.
and then when I dance,
yeah,
I want to
you
pull it
dance,
up.
pull it up.
I'm just afraid. Will this material will it rip?
Huh?
Like, is it better to bustle it up or no?
You want up here?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. Too soft. Yeah, you turn this one. No, turn this one. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Yes, I like that better.
Yeah, you turn around.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's much better.
Mhm.
If we could bustle it
Yeah.
into here.
Yeah, you dancing, you okay.
Yeah, now I can move.
Yeah,
It's not too much.
yeah, you move. Yeah, the right hand. Yeah, you turn around one more time. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay.